what more I can ask, actually. I'm very, very happy today. Really.
Thank you, Ma.
She's going to start
All
crying.
the best. Yeah.
Thank you. You've made us all emotional and teary-eyed.
Happy that I just graduated from international student at ASU, and I'm going to be work as a graphic designer at the company does home appliances. This is the OPT position. The working is waiting for me, so I'm glad to have it. I thank you a lot of the financial support and the mental support. I always call them, and it's always the call to people.
Emotion ですね。
But yeah, I'm happy to earn money by myself, independent.
So I graduate today and I apply for OPT status, and my major is STEM OPT, so which is 3 years. So I'm considering work for 3 years on this career path and then apply for another PhD degree back in Arizona State University and come back being a professor one day.
看的变化非常大，进步非常明显。儿子能在世界一流的大学亚利桑那州立大学研究生毕业，我们感到十分的荣幸和激动。
Would love to give credit to ASU for helping us in this journey. And ASU does a lot for the SWE community, and whether it's allowing us to attend the conferences, be part of the research presentations, and ASU actually did fund my conference last year to go and present my research, and that's been very empowering for me to be able to do that, because as a student from abroad, I wouldn't know whom to contact for what purposes, and they were very helpful when it came to letter of support or any such documentation / acknowledgement. And that was very refreshing to see.
I'm very grateful for everything I've had here for the past 4 years. So I'm trying to enjoy this last moments on campus with all my friends and family before I move on to what's next.
I, as a mom, could not have wished for, a better college experience than going to ASU. He has received a lot of support. He has been given, space and opportunities to explore, to find his passion, and then to pursue his passion.
そうか。いやもう嬉しいだけですよ僕も。嬉しいだけ。よくやったなって本当に思ってる。
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದಾಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
谢谢您和我妈这么多年的支持，然后让我也在现在可以达成我自己人生目标，然后向我下一个人生目标迈进。谢谢，然后也谢谢我的朋友，能在非常重要的时刻一直支撑着我，帮助我，然后非常感谢，然后
也非常感谢亚利桑那州立大学对儿子的培养，感谢各位教授老师对孩子的教育，谢谢 ，Thank you。
I'd like to thank them that they've been a constant support, and not just financially, even emotionally, and they're miles away calling me on WhatsApp, making sure that I'm keeping them updated and that I'm eating regularly. So yeah, this has been a great journey. And even my grandparents and my dad, who's not here, he's in India, he couldn't come because he's working, and I think that's the work ethic that I picked up from him. So yeah, I'd just love to take this opportunity to thank all of them from the bottom of my heart.
Ups and downs, and even some uncertainties, but you guys were always there for me. Yeah, sorry. You guys were always here for me. It took me a long time to figure out what it exactly was I wanted to do, but regardless of what I was exploring, you believed in me, and you were there for me, and that is exactly what I needed. So thank you so much.